How's it going, guys? I just want to talk about, when should you use much and versus many? And a lot of people really just don't know the difference, and sometimes when they say one of these words incorrectly, they kind of sound like a goofball. And it's really, really easy to just completely make fun of and just ridicule that person and call them, a silly willy. Or something just out of this world offensive, and I'm tired of just hearing these horrendous claims of, just these horrible things being said about people, so I'm just gonna put it out there. So if the noun is non-countable, as in like it can kind of just, it's just one word, and it's got multiple quantities, just that one word. So, for example, water. There's not waters. You don't say waters to count water. It's kind of just water. So, you would go, oh, I've got so much water at my house, or so much water in my fridge. Now, for many, you would just simply use what would be countable. So, let's say pennies. You wouldn't say, I have so much pennies. That's not how it works. It might sound right to you, but it's not the correct way. That's just not how it works. So, you would want to say, I have so many pennies. And by saying that, you have successfully avoided the silly willy or goofball, things that would be thrown at you. So, once again, I just want to, put that out there just for people who are wondering, oh, I don't know which word to use, so I'm just going to stick with one or the other, and it might just be a flip of a coin on if I, get this all set. And, if this video helped you guys, please make sure to drop a fat dislike and comment why you hate me. And, yeah. Please just dislike the video. Just destroy it. Destroy this video. Dislike it. Make a bunch of different accounts, dislike this video, and completely disregard its existence. If you get this video recommended to you, go on it, dislike the video, make a bunch of bot accounts to dislike it as well, and then go back and then click the 3 dots, as they like to call the hamburger. No. That's the lines, the 3 lines. Never mind. The 3 dots, right? They're assorted vertically. Click those, and then click not interested. Get rid of this video. Completely disregard this video once you have watched it, disliked it, and made a bunch of other accounts to dislike it. Okay? Thank you.